there are some amazing snacks. Even idli, we toss it in a pan and it becomes a great snack. Especially leftover idlis, we often do it. Kids, when they go to these fast food center, they love those pops. And at home, you can make them even more tasty. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. And today, we're going to make these awesome vegetable pops, mixed vegetable ones. In fact, let me make it even more tasty by having greens stuffed inside, double layered. And after which, I'm going to show you how to make those, tempered idlis with the nice gunpowder. So first, we're going to make this mixed vegetable pops. For making this, we're going to add some oil in the pan. We're going to make a nice upma-like preparation. First, add a little bit of cumin seed. You can add the suji. This will be our outer coating. Inside, we can add more vegetables to this. Mixed herbs are very strong in aroma, so add a little bit. And in this, add some carrot. You can add whatever vegetables you want. We can add water and make this into a upma-like paste. For 1 cup of suji, around 2 cups of water will do. So now let this cook and let it cool down. Then we're going to use this. You can add the salt in the water itself. Otherwise also, add now and just make sure you mix this thoroughly. Now this mixture is nicely cooked. I'm going to let this cool, and in another pan, I'm going to make a stuffing which I'm going to put it in this veg pops which is full of greens. So another pan. Now in this, I'm going to add butter. We're going to add some nicely chopped garlic. If you want to add a little bit pepper, a little bit of salt, you want to add some green chilli, also is fine. And in this, we're going to add the greens. You can use any of the greens you like, and this will be great stuffing that we're going to put inside those rava. Cooking till this becomes soft and some of the moisture is evaporated. In 2 minutes, your greens will become nice and soft. I'm going to add some grated cheese. You can use any cheese of your liking. And also, I'm going to take some of the semolina mixture and add to this. And this one is going to go as a stuffing. So let this cool down and then I'm going to show you. The spinach, the cheese, everything. This is a little bit hot. This combination is excellent. We're going to mix this and we're going to let this cool down. In the meantime, we have this mixture with the carrot and the other. So this mixture will be outer coating. So what we're going to do, we're going to make the small pops. So first make these dumplings round and we're going to flatten them up. So inside will be spinach and the outside will be the semolina mixture. Once you put everything inside, with the wet hands, you can make them into balls like this. Roll them in the hand, you have a dumpling. The outside is the mixture with the carrot and the semolina. Inside is this awesome spinach mixture. If you see them, there is a little bit of shine on this, some oil kind of thing. So to make sure, we're going to put this in a slurry. This is nothing but maida and salt and water. Make it into a thick paste. If I put directly this in the slurry and put in the breadcrumb, this will not coat well. So what we can do is, we can take some flour, slightly coat with the flour. This will make sure that our dumplings will be coated very well with breadcrumbs. Kids don't know what is inside. When they take a bite, there will be nice greens and cheese and everything in there. Take these dumplings, put it in the slurry. So just you want them to be slightly coated. Very thin coating of the batter will be enough. Here is the panko bread. Just put these dumplings and let them roll with the panko bread. So these dumplings will be so tasty and wonderful, nice crunchy on the outside. These are ready to go into a fryer. All you need to do is just put it in the hot oil and fry till they are nice and golden. So look at them, they look perfect and fantastic. This will come out excellent. Now once you cut it open, the melted cheese will be there, but with this it will be fantastic. You want to serve it with tomato ketchup or anything. And look at these beautiful dumplings. You can always have a beautiful garnish like this. Pop them open like this and kids will love it because there is so much of flavor inside. Now let's enjoy this. They literally melt in your mouth, and kids, that's what they want. They want to pick something that is nice and crunchy, soft and full of flavor. And you can always dip it in the tomato ketchup. Wow, the cheese inside is just amazing. You've seen how very subtle flavoring of herbs I did, and dear friends, and the next recipe is the button idli, and then we're going to put it in the gunpowder and you will just love it. Make them for evening snacks. This one, let's go ahead and see the next recipe. Ghee Podi Idli. So for making this, take 1 cup of idli rice, add 1/3 cup of Urad Dal and 1/4 teaspoon of Methi Seeds. Now soak them for at least 4 hours. Then grind this into a batter. Once overnight you ferment, take this batter and you can add pinch of salt to taste. And now we are going to make this mini idlis with the mini idli plate. Once these idlis are ready, now in a pan add some Toor Dal, Chana Dal, add Urad Dal, black pepper, sesame seeds, cumin seeds, red chillies. You have to dry roast them on a very slow flame. Now put it in a blender and make this into a coarse powder. Now in a pan add ghee, add pinch of hing for the flavor, add curry leaves, add the gunpowder. In this add the mini idlis. Toss them slowly so that the masala is nicely coated. You can also add little bit of salt, but usually I add to my masala powder. So add little bit of salt and now mix well and finish it off by adding some chopped coriander. These aromatic idlis are bites of happiness. Dip in your spoon with these masalas and you got to say, wow, this is too good. Dear friends, you have seen both the recipes, excellent snacks. Kids will just love it and they'll go gaga over. When you make these things, you will be appreciated as super mom or super dad. Dear friends, make it and everybody will just love them. See you in another exciting recipe. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.